project. Got this USA Jackson SLATQH. It's a model that was made from 2003 to 2005. Pretty rare. Don't know the exact numbers. I want to say they made between 50 and 100 a year. It's departure from the regular Jackson soloist. It's only 22 fret versus 24 fret. No Floyd Rose, no trem, string through the body, tune-matic, go top bridge. This one's a special project. It's pretty much dead mint, considering its age, except for fretboard. Somebody decided to take a rat tail file and a Dremel and scallop the whole fretboard. Now, you know, they did a good job as far as playability. It's scalloped all right. They removed a lot of material, but aesthetically it's pretty ugly. Actually, it's real ugly. So this one's getting a whole new fretboard, new binding, new mother of pearl inlays, and we're going to document the whole process here. So this is episode 1. We're just going to go over the whole guitar and kind of just see what it needs, see what's going on. Like I said, otherwise it's pretty clean. It's just that. Alright, let's take a closer look. So maybe the neck pickup is original, maybe it's not. I haven't looked yet. Bridge, I'm pretty sure, is not original unless somebody took the logo off, which I don't see evidence of, so I don't think it is original. Probably put stock pickups back in it. You can see in the bridge some wear over here. See some of these eyelets. They're really cracked in some places. I did see how the brass polished up on the three-way switch tip. Looks pretty good. Knobs have some wear on top. I can source those, find those. It's pretty easy. Here's the real stuff. It's not bad. I mean, it's playable, but it's rough. A lot of breakthrough on the inlays. These guitars came with a bone nut, which that looks to be stock unless somebody replaced it, not sure. There's a little bit of wear here on the side. It's got the regular stock Jackson tuners, Shaler, I believe, Jackson branded tuners. Let's take a look at the back. Same deal. A little bit of wear here. We might use those again, I'm not sure. Back is in okay shape. It's really good. There's no buckle rash. There's, you know, some fingerprints, some light scratches. I think a good buffing, it'll clean up like new. Except for one raspberry down here, which I'll probably do one episode on filling that. Nice feature of these early SLATQHs is they had unfinished necks. So, like I said, it's mahogany back and maple top, and the neck is mahogany through. There's also a little raspberry there too we gotta look into. The tip, fairly clean. Usually this is the first things to chip out. Other than the scalloping, this guitar's been fairly well taken care of. Alright, let's take a look back here and see what's going on electronics wise. Even this back plate, these are all aluminum. Pretty good shape. Usually these are one of the first things that get scratched up. It's easy for rivets or belt buckle or whatever to scratch those up. There's a few light scratches, but nothing serious going on here. Alright, so what do we got? This is an early one, so I don't think that that routing, I think could be, I'm pretty sure that's stock. They did that to match the arch. Just like on a Les Paul, so that the pot knob is level on the top. The bridge pickup is braided, done well, but it's not original. Looks like neck pickup could be. Hard to say. It looks like everything's relatively untouched under here except for the pickups. Looks it's a pretty simple setup anyways. You know, volume, tone, three-way. But yeah, looks pretty good. So keep watching. I'll post new videos as I get to the next steps. The next stages of this guitar is going to be taking everything apart. We're going to strip it down. We're going to get this fretboard off of here. And that's going to be episode 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, tag, share, follow. And please hit the subscribe button. It helps me out. Help you see when I got new videos coming out too. Alright, thanks. See you next time.